Welcome back, Intercourse, to another video. And today's video is day 22 of Vlogmas. So if you want to see what I do today, hear all the information, stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a craft. Here is the set of what I got. I only did one of these because just to save some time, but there is 4 in here. So you can do one anywhere you want. You can do it the way it shows on here, or you can do it your way. It's up to you. I did it the way it shows. And there's only there's instructions as well, and then these little cutouts. And you need glue. I thought it was sticker things because it kind of looks like stickers, but there's no stickers, so you have some glue. So that's all you need for this craft is your own glue. They do give you the string to put it on your tree. And what I did under the craft, because I already filmed the craft part, is I took one of these little things and put it in the back for the string to secure on there really good so it doesn't fall off. But that's up to you, whatever you want to do. But I just did it that way just to secure it some, so nobody's really going to see the back of it. It's going to be on your tree. But you can also just glue it on there. The glue should stick it, but mine takes a little bit minute. The glue I used to start working, let's say that. So the next clip is going to be the crafting part, and then I'll show you my finished project. So that's the crafting part. Again, like I said at the beginning, there is 4 of them. I only did one because to save time. Number 2, the glue that I use is starting to give me a headache. It is fabric glue that I got from Temu. I decided to use it. It works very good of the material, so I decided to use this as the only glue I have. But it's what I got it from Temu. So here is my finished little project. I think he turned out really cute. Very like, look at him. He's so cute. Okay. So this glue needs to take 24 hours to set, so I will make sure to have it set somewhere so it can dry properly. Here's what the back looks like. I did put like a little triangle over here. I need to cut some off on the axis, but just to hear this a little bit better, I am going to put the date at the back of it so they know, so my mom knows, but she got that somewhere. But this is a very fun craft for kids. I really recommend it. If I find it I'll link it down below for y'all. But it's a really fun craft for kids to do during the holidays. But I decided to do it one because just a fun activity to do before Christmas time comes. Hopefully y'all did enjoy it. Let me know if you enjoy crafty videos like this, and I will do more in the future. And I think that's it. So if you got this far in the video, enjoy it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below if you enjoy making crafts during the holiday season, or if you remember what you crafted, like what your favorite item was you crafted when you were younger, I'd love to know. And you'll be shouted in the next video uploaded on my channel. If you want to see what shouted in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section, show those love, and tell them I sent you. They really appreciate it. They'll be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel, tell them I sent you. And if they're a subscriber, go find their comment in the comment section, tell them that you're grateful for their support for the Unicorn family. And this is a way for me to say thank you for the unicorns who watch my videos in full. It does help out a lot. It helps out with the algorithm. It helps boost my videos. So really, your support means the world to me. So please continue to show me support. If you don't want to answer a question, just say you watched the full and you'll be shouted out as well. And yeah. So I forgot to mention, I will leave the playlist for Vlogmas down below. So go check that video out and show it some love. And catch up on the series, and make sure you come back here and tell me what day was your favorite. I'd love to know. And there might be more than 31 days or 30 days, or how many days are in December. So y'all, hope y'all do enjoy them, because I did do double content when I did the advent calendar. So there is a lot of videos in there, but hopefully I do enjoy them all, and go check it out and show them some love. I really do appreciate it. And hopefully you all unicorns have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And enjoy time with friends and family if you do. And I'm going to try to post things that are coming soon for Christmas time. So I hope y'all do enjoy those quick videos. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do makeup looks anytime soon, but if there is a makeup look, they'll be posted coming soon. I think the next makeup look will be for New Year's, but I'm not sure yet. So I'll try to get around to the other looks. If not, it will just be like a Christmas themed video instead of a makeup video, just to save me some time, since makeup videos do take a lot of time to edit and stuff. And I know some of the days I might be a little bit busy, so I just want to be able to get the video done in time. And I think that is it. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my craft today for Christmas time. I'd love to know what you think of the ornament. And hope you all do enjoy this type of video. I wanted it all 4 of them, but again, to save some time for this video so it's not too long, and y'all, it's like, repetitive when I do, so just save some time. I decided to just do one. But if I ever have time, I might do another one soon, and then give it to my mom so she can hang them on the Christmas tree. Or we could save these for, my nieces, or not nieces, my nephews. I don't have no nieces, my nephews. When they come around, they can do like a craft. I think this would be a good craft for them. So yeah. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.